Okay guys, BigSLICK here today, and we're going to talk about this epic fail that is this Syba USB 3.0 PCI Express card. Very simple. Check this out. They've oriented the ports the wrong direction, and you can't plug in any USB device. The connector for a USB is all the same, so it's not particular to this jump drive right here. Any USB cable, drive, whatever device you want to plug in here, you're not going to be able to do it. So the only thing I'll have to do here in order to modify this, I'm going to have to cut off this support bracket from the case on both sides of this card in order to add extra clearance so that devices can be plugged in. Now this is an older Dell computer, so I'm not worried about, screwing anything up on this. But this is not unique. I mean, I checked several other mini towers that I have, and they all have a similar design back here. So this is just an absolute epic fail by this company, and apparently this is why this product was only a few dollars after manufacturer rebate recently at Newegg. Basically impossible to use the way it is, and I don't think too many people are going to want to get out some type of cutting wheel and cut off brackets on their case in order to make just a simple add-on card work. But being that I already have the card and I'm not worried about the value of this case or anything like that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off and make it work. Okay, we're back now, and I took out the two cards that I had in here, which was the USB 3 Syba card and a parallel port card. So that opened up this whole area. In order to remove these two brackets here on this case, I'm going to see if I can get through them with a pair of diagonals, nice heavy grade old school diagonals. But if not, if they're a little too thick for that, then the good old Dremel with a cutting wheel should do the trick. Okay, back again, and we have it all solved now. I cut these off with the Dremel tool. I cut the top side off and then just worked it downward and snapped it off at the bottom here and here. Had to do that with both of these. And so now, as you see, it's easy to plug this in. No problem at all. So plenty of room, but it's unfortunate. You just really should not have to put in this kind of effort just to fix a manufacturing mistake like that. Now here's an observation. Take a look at the packaging for this Syba card. It shows the ports going in the correct direction. So whoever the marketing guy was, he didn't use a Syba card apparently, or if he did, he used some other model, because this card would have worked properly. But the card that they shipped had the ports facing in the other orientation. So the marketing guy got it right, the manufacturing got it wrong. The card actually seems a bit slow for USB 3. I use IOBIT's driver booster to find the drivers, and it was able to find the drivers pretty quickly. I only have a few dollars in it, but obviously I have some effort in having to make this card fit in a completely standard desktop tower case. There was nothing unique about this case. Any case that I own, whether it was Dell, HP, a couple just Antec cases from builds that I had previously, every single case I had was going to have to require this modification. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.